Dr. Srimati Anita Rani Garu, the president of the evening function, Dr. S. Savalappa Garu, an eminent doctor, Srimati Radha Rani Garu, a principal district judge, once now is one of the senior most judge of the higher judiciary, Brother Dr. B. Janardhan Reddy Garu, now the principal secretary for the Department of Agriculture, Brother Gali Vinod Kumar Garu, the Faculty of Law, Head of the Department, Usman University. And most important thing is that today's meeting, our Brother Justice Lakshman Garu, who spoke on all the aspects. For conducting this meeting, terming it as an inaugural session, I am very happy to be before you all today. There are more than one reason for my happiness today. In this August gathering, a beautiful place, which is with the stature of illumination. All the dignitaries and the dais are not ordinary persons. I have a personal acquaintance with all the dignitaries on this dais and also all the members in the August gathering. All of them are very dear to me, dear to my heart, dear to my soul. Sometimes I feel that I live not only with food, but also with the spirit. Spirit by God is one aspect, but spirit by human being is another aspect. When you come to the second aspect, all these peoples are my spirit, and all of you are my spirit, to talk to you before you today. Let us say few words about the dignitaries. Taking one of the eminent doctor, a senior most doctor, who worked for about 33 years in the erstwhile government of Andhra Pradesh and retired in a highest capacity. Thereafter, served in various private hospitals, corporate hospitals, and even till today, he will give the consultancy and the medicine by talking freely from 7 to 9 at the age of 85 years. No other person other than Brother Dr. S. Savalappa. Kindly stand up, give a clap. It is the greatest day of today. In spite of COVID situation, when the entire world is afraid to come out, please be seated, to come out from the house. But he is the doctor who came when the organization is going to be inaugurated. I am going to be there, he said. And for his happiness, today, one of the beloved daughter of him, and the only daughter, Madhavi, she is not an ordinary person. She is one of the entrepreneur. She has got an international repute, experience of addressing various institutions to what you call to motivate them in all their activities. I am very happy. Coming to our Radha Rani Garu, wherever she works, as a principal, as a district judge or a principal district judge, now a chairman of the Sales Tax Appellate Authority. In the bar, whatever may be the contradictions among the lawyers, whatever may be the contradictions among the litigant public who appear before them, once they come here before her, because of her attitude, because of her treatment to the clients who stand before her, will always be very, very happy. And they were confident that they are going to justice before her. That is the confidence which a judge has to create in the mind of the litigant public. That is the personality which is here today to address all of us we have heard just now. Coming to our Professor Gali Vinod Kumar, in the state of Telangana, if the people of Telangana is noticing that there is a law college, there is a university, in the university there is a law college, it is only because of Dr. Gali Vinod Kumar, the professor. Because after he has taken over a charge as the principal of PG College of Law, OU College, all the students have become his disciples. When the students were never used to attend the classes, when he has taken over, all the students even disappeared from the college, started coming. Now the University College of Law is full of strength before the COVID situation. That is the greatest quality of a teacher. Teacher is a person who has to create the enthusiasm, the interest in the minds of the students. A student should desire as to how a child will desire to reach the mother. A student must desire to reach the teacher. That is the order of day that should come. For that purpose, Gali Vinod Kumar is the indication. He is the one who has conducted national and international seminars in Hyderabad. No other college, either the private college or universities, have conducted. That is the credit that is gained, that is the motivation that he has created in the student community, in the teachers community, and among the intellectual community. Therefore, we are happy today for his presence. Dr. B. Janardhan Reddy Garu, it is our probably more than 25 years of our sharing of our thoughts and action. I consider him rather than officer but is a friend of mine. A friend in thought and a friend in action. Whenever I do certain things, immediately certain people come to my mind. From the officer's category, the officer who renders the justice to people without any delay. When you go through his biography or biodata, you will really find very surprise things to know. What are the surprise things? As a student, hardly 3 days he was absent from attending the classes from the beginning to the ending. Can anybody is there? Very hard to say. Whichever the position he held, in any capacity, within 24 hours or beyond 24 hours, no file should be there in front of him or on his table. Anybody is there in this country? Very difficult. When I was there with him in the morning to play shuttle, we'll go to his house to have a breakfast. On the way, he used to visit several streets, and all the municipal workers are working there. He will have a talk with the inmates of the house. Which commissioner has done it? Now today, if at all municipal commissioner is there, again many people have not forgot that our Janardhan Reddy is only the commissioner. They remember still today, wherever he goes, Sir Janardhan Reddy is the commissioner. I went to Anantapur. All the farmers got together. They invited me for a lunch. We had a lunch in a beautiful place. It was full of some garden. The garden was developed under the guidance of him. So as a collector, he gave several incentives to the farmers. And all the people have come now today that every day minimum he receives 10 to 15 phones from Anantapur. And he is the officer to motivate the student community. Till today, he regularly visits wherever go to the education institution to motivate the students. Who will do it? So the officers of that stature, the officers of that attitude is required to this country. Similarly, our Justice Lakshman Garu, I really felt happy. Today, normally, to make a request to the judges of the High Court, there is a procedure. The institution which holds the meeting, the head of the institution should address a letter well in advance through the registrar of the High Court. That will be placed before the concerned judge. The judge will give the consent, then give the time to talk to that person, then it will be decided, then it will be informed whether the honorable judge will attend or not. That is a procedure. It is a minimum 1 week procedure. But our brother completely dispensed with the procedure. Morning I gave a ring. Alternative disputes, what brother says. Morning I gave a ring. Brother, here is 2 young lawyers who are expert in the corporate law have come to a conclusion that having experienced the litigation nature at abroad and in this country, the fate of the people of this country, they wanted to do some service to the society in the field of law. Therefore, they wanted to start an institution like this Telangana Arbitration and Mediation Center. They requested me to be the chief guest. I gave the consent to them, and they also wanted me to have company of other judges also. Then I requested many judges, all the judges have agreed. But the judges from whom we received the messages, they could not come because of various reasons, particularly the COVID, because all of them are aged people. But they sent the messages. I am expressing my gratitude for them, for the respect that they have towards me, and a good wishes towards the institution's motive. Brother Lakshman, in the morning, I gave a ring. Sir, I will definitely come. And by 3:30 or 4 o'clock, sir, kindly inform me just 15 minutes before you reach there, I will be there. That is the commitment, that is the respect, that is a good attitude brother has. I am really grateful to him. I used to tell the judges, they are not only the judges within the 4 walls of the court, but also they are judges outside. Indian Constitution contemplates social justice is the preamble of the Constitution. Fundamental rights are the basic structure of the Constitution. A right to life is a fundamental right under the Constitution. Now, how it is possible to make them to enjoy that rights? Unless until the judges comes out and spend some time by way of participating in the social activities. In that process, many of the High Court judges now, they are participating, and Brother Lakshman is one of those judges who is interested in the social justice and to spread over the concept of social justice, not only inside the court but outside the court. Ultimately, it is for the entire country is the court for him, not only the High Court of Telangana. That is the great quality of our brother Justice Lakshman. Radha Rani, now the other day she was saying, sir, I am 60 or 61. Amma, you are a senior citizen. But her desire is like a child. A child cries for milk. A mother supplies, gives the milk to the child. Her botheration is, the people of this country are starving for the want of justice. thirsting for want of justice. I have the experience. Sir, why I can't do justice to them even without power? Mother doesn't have a power, but mother is everything. She is the sovereign over his child, because she is the creator, she is the life giver, she is the milk giver, she is the education giver. She will grow up the child and make him to stand in the society. That is your quality. Age is not the criteria. As long as your body and mind goes together, certainly you can do justice in the field of this organization, in the field of law. I said, you have so many qualities. Just within 5 minutes I told her, first of all, you are a good daughter to your parents. You are a good student to your teachers. You are a good husband, wife to your husband. You are a good mother to your children. And you are a good grandmother to your grandchildren. This is personal life. She was a highly educationist, very highly educated. And she was a teacher. She was a headmistress. She was an administrator. About 300 people were used to work under her. What amount of ability is required to know the system of law, to know the system of the society, and to administer the society? So therefore I said, certainly you can start an institution in the name of Telangana Arbitration and Mediation Center. Definitely it will go a long way. People are waiting for justice in many ways. Society is here to receive you. Society is here to respect you. Please go ahead. That is how Dr. Anita Rani came forward. I am really placing on record my great appreciation for us. We are all behind you. We will be with you. We will be for you. Now her daughter, Preeti, Siri Preeti. I used to call her Yemandi Siri Preeti Garu ani. My lord, please don't call me as Garu. After so many years, I have to cut short that Garu and Amma Siri Preeti. Siri Preeti. Then she is a very eminent lawyer. When she came to me to talk, when I had her conversation in one of the conference, I wondered. When she came out from the conference, she sought time to meet me. Kindly, sir, can you give me some time, any time? I told her, why any time? Please come with me today itself. That's what I told her. Then he started coming, and when I inquired about her personality, her ability, and her creativity, and her hard working, I thought that she can do wonderful things. Now she has come with an idea that how best we can render the service by forming an association. And her daughter is there behind, Anita Garu, and her son-in-law is also there, who is the eminent lawyer of the High Court of Telangana. Coming to my daughter Lavanya, she is also Lavanya, stand up. She is my daughter. Lavanya, she also studied at abroad, and she was also feeling, Daddy, I quite find difference, the system that is prevailing in abroad and here. So people are thirsting for justice. How best we can do it? When you go to the civil procedure code, lot of time is required. People are losing the confidence in the field of, in the courts, how to do justice to them in a speedy manner. Her question to me, with that concept, she also trying to associate with this organization. Like that, my son is also there, some Prashant, he is also interested in this, he is also coming forward. And my nephew is also there, Mr. Nitin is there. Today, when this function is taking place, the important person behind it is, number one, our secretary, Dr. Vidyadhar Bhatt. Please stand up. He is the person in organizing in such a nice manner by exercising and his ability. He is one of the eminent registrar in the High Court. So also our PRO, Public Relation Officer, who is the responsible for organizing, he is standing there. This is from the organization side. Why we are happy today is, these are all our family members. Coming to my brothers and sisters sitting in the August gathering, I can certainly say that our Meenakshi, please kindly stand up. These are all not ordinary persons. She is a devotional person. She is conducting what you call so many programs to rest peace in the mind. She is the lover of peace. She is a practitioner of peace, and she is a spread over the peace in the world. That is the greatest personality, Dr. Meenakshi. And our Tara Garu, she was our classmate. I do not know for so many days. When she attended, she has become older, I also become older. Sir, I was your classmate. I wondered. From that date onwards, we are very constantly sitting, talking to each other. I am grateful to her. She is present here. Our Yamuna, please, she is a lawyer. And she is doing service to the society in the field of yoga. You will find, if you just on the YouTube, you will find her performance. Our Vijayalakshmi, this girl, our wife of our Vinod, she is an eminent lawyer, eminent lawyer, free of cost. Chandrakala. Chandrakala is an eminent lawyer. She is a lawyer of the poor people. Whoever comes with free of cost, she will render the service. How many people in this country are there? So we have to emulate certain qualities of a lawyer to do the service to the people. Mr. Raja is a cinema producer. Why I have chosen these people? These are all eminent personalities who are rendering the service at the same time facing the problem. Because when we are rendering the service to so many people, invariably we have to face the problem. Mr. Srinivasa Reddy is an eminent industrialist, owner of Annapurna Hotel, and our neighbor. And her daughter is there now. She has presented a bouquet to me. Kindly stand up, Nana. So, she is also international repute. She has studied in Australia. She has studied in England. She has studied in America. Now she practiced as an apprentice in the Supreme Court. Now he is attending in this conference today, in this meeting today. Our Gandhi Garu is a retired RTA and our beloved husband of our district judge and eminent person. My children will not forget her. When they went to have a license, without any difficulty a license was given. Daddy, how it is possible to take? Our friends are getting everyday problem, but I was given. It is your luck. Then who is the officer there? It is Gandhi Garu is there. So Gandhi will always do like Gandhian only. Without giving any difficulty, he will do the service to the society. Like that our Prasad is there. Prasad is a close relative of Nirmala, the greatest actress in the cine field. And he is my shuttle mate. Always he'd like to play shuttle with me, like our Janardhan Reddy Garu, who is always challenges everybody. When Sir and myself is there, let anybody there will defeat them. Always he says, please be seated. And our Bhaskar Naidu is an academician. He is an academician and he has started engineering college and he is doing free service to many students getting admitted in the schools and colleges and giving the education. That is the personality. Like that our Sportica, Satish, because of him, we are all here today. He is one of the eminent personality, a former employee, but he has started a Sportica, a sport, that is shuttle court. Recently he has started, now it is flooded with the what is called flares, and the officer, the players are enjoying with his services. So he has come today with all his friends. And our Babu is there, Mohan, you are, I think, Mohan Gar. He is also one of the film producer. So all these personals, they are not persons, but they are personalities. Now we are enjoying these premises today. Our brother Arvind Kumar, please stand up. These beautiful premises belong to him. We are enjoying because of him. her beloved daughter, Jyoti. She is the best friend of Lavanya and Prashant and my family. Almost all 3 days in a week, she will be there in our house. Okay. So, brother, all my brothers and sisters who are here, why I had to spend a lot of time in talking to you all in this fashion is, in a way, it is a family gathering. In a way, it is an intellectual gathering. In a way, it is a friendly gathering. In a way, with a motto of serving the society, and in a way, to resolve our problems with our own consciousness. Not only our problems, but also help others to resolving their problem. Therefore, it is not a small meeting. All of you are industrialists, entrepreneurs, cinema producers, under whose control how thousands of people are working you. Day in, day out, you may be facing a lot of difficulties. Lot of litigation may be there. Probably by the time you wake up and go to bed, your mind may not be consistent because of the problems. One way you have to administer your industry and concentrate in the production side. And another way, you have to concentrate in resolving the problems of the workmen. Workmen are not one or two, thousands of people. Which workman will create what problem, we do not know. How much time it takes to resolve it, we do not know. Therefore, as our brother Lakshman Garu said and Dr. B. Janardhan Reddy Garu said, litigation is invariable, dispute is invariable, but solution is also invariable. Without solution, we cannot have a peace. Without peace, there is no life. So the whole world is thrusting for a peace to avoid the dispute. Both of them, one, it is impossible to eradicate. Unless you eradicate it, it is impossible to take it into the mind to rest the peace. They will go together. Now we have to adjust between the dispute and the peace. That is the arbitration. That is the mediation. That is the conciliation. We have, what is the importance of arbitration, mediation and conciliation? Child takes birth, unless until he cries, we do not know whether he is alive or he is died. Once a child cries, everybody expresses happiness. We got a child, we got a child. So dispute starts with crying, and for the mother, make him to feel peace by feeding the milk. That is the, whether you say that it is a dispute, crying a dispute, it is natural. Giving the milk is a, what is this action? It is a service necessary. So dispute and peace will go together. There should be an understanding. What is the dispute? Dispute is one, when on a particular issue, one person says yes, another person says no, there the dispute exists. Then how to make it that there is no dispute unless until we resolve it? So therefore, law is nothing but framing the rules to mold the conduct of an individual and make the things to be adjusted to resolve the dispute arising between them. Every man's individual's mind with so much of disputes. What is the controversy? Go to a place is a controversy. Not to go to a place is a controversy. Then we'll decide situation whether it is necessary to go or not necessary to go. What are the merits and demerits? This is the adjudication. This is the arbitration. So therefore the arbitration process starts in our mind, and every individual is a judge of his own cause. But sometimes he cannot solve on his own problem. Invariably, somebody's assistance is there. That is the reason why the family system has come. A man should not be alone, a woman should be there. That will be made legally valid when they are married together. Therefore, most of the problems will have to be solved in the family itself. But day by day, because of the inconsistency in thinking, unreasonableness in thinking, day by day the problems are being cropped up. So therefore, a machinery of adjudication process came into play. That is how the courts have come into existence. As far as the India is concerned, there is a code of civil procedure that came into being in 1908. 1908. Some hundreds of years ago. It consists of about 158 sections and 29 chapters. That deals with issues. What is the issue? If a particular land claimed by one, denied by others, then the issue comes. It should be resolved based on the record. After hearing the arguments, then going through the record, it takes a lot of time. Parties do not cooperate. A person in favor of whom the order is there, he will not come to the court, get an order and goes away. Even if we send the notices, he will not come to the court. Advocate also appears. He will go on taking the adjournment. Particularly in the rent control matters, a person who is an advocate of a tenant, he will be paid on every adjournment. Because every adjournment will take place for about 3 to 4 months. For each adjournment, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. There are cases where even 10 years, 20 years, the landlord and tenant disputes were taking place. Thereafter, the procedure also contemplates municipal court, sub-court, district court, high court, and the Supreme Court. How it is possible? Therefore, a mechanism evolved. As early as in the 1940, as brother said, in 1940, Arbitration Act came into being. In 1996, there was an amendment. In 2015 also there was an amendment, and 2019 was the latest amendment. The object of it is resolve the problem by way of arbitration. Choose a particular person who is an expert in adjudicating the matter and get it arbitrated, and that arbitration is binding. It can be enforced in the court of law by way of filing a petition for execution of the decrees. Similarly, the object is to deliver the speedy justice. The people cannot wait now. Time is the essence of life. How long a dispute will be taking place, we do not know. What happens on certain aspects, a contractor executes the work. If he executes the work today with some amount, immediately it goes up, the prices. Unless until the high prices are not being paid, I am not going to execute the work. The work of the government suffer. Work of the government is people's work suffers. There are so many issues. There are personal issues, there are family issues, there are business issues, there are commercial issues. All the issues are there. So therefore, there are so many organizations, so many arbitration centers are there, national and international. As our brother Janardhan Reddy Garu said, we must create the confidence in the mind of a client. He must come with a hope to us that here is a place where we are going to do justice. And whatever he say, after thinking so much, he will give the proper advice, he will adjudicate the matter. So by virtue of the arbitration, whatever the matters are adjudicated, it will attain the finality within no time. So by adopting this method, number one, time will not be consumed much. Number two, no much money is involved in this. Number three, good understanding will be there between the parties. Number 4, even after resolving it, their contract will continue. Number 5, they will continue always friendly in executing the work. And lastly, they can see the finality of the expectation of judgment in no time. That is the importance of arbitration, mediation, and conciliation. But as far as the conciliation is concerned, it is not binding. He may agree, he may not agree. But as far as arbitration is concerned, as brother said, under the law, once the award is passed, it becomes binding on both the parties, it will become final, and hardly, unless until there is a violation of procedure, the court normally cannot entertain. But for the purpose of prolonging the litigation, people may again come to the court, they may litigate the matter, that's another aspect. But law is very limited and specific. Object is to do justice to the people in a speedy manner. Therefore, people must be educated on this. People must make aware their rights and liabilities and the adjudication process that is available to them. Not in every matter, everybody should go to the court of law, which will take a lot of time. So the legal awareness has become necessary in this country. Though educationally speaking, statistics shows lot of education improvement is there. But people's understanding capacity in resolving the dispute is always in an inimical way rather than a friendly way. It should come in a friendly way. Dispute will come, dispute will go. Provided we should have a good consciousness. We know who is responsible for creating the dispute, whether X or Y. They both of them know. Once they are truthful to the situation, then most of the problems will be resolved then and there. But we don't feel. That's the reason why we said, dharmecha, karmecha, kamecha, mokshecha. Very ancient law. ఈ మూడు అంశాలు కూడా ధర్మంతో ముడిపడి ఉన్నది. ధర్మం అనే భావనకు మన జీవితం గనక జీవితంలో అర్థం చేసుకొని దాన్ని పాటిస్తే అన్నీ చక్కగా జరుగుతాయి. బట్ వెరీ పీపుల్ విల్ ఫాలో ఇట్. బట్ we are taught these aspects from the childhood. But when it grows up, when it goes uneducated, our value of the education go down, the dispute thinking process will come up. So therefore, there is every possibility to have a prosperous situation for this organization which has come into existence. Our brother Swarupa Reddy said, he has sent in his message, he used the word, the Telangana Arbitration and Mediation Center is the first of this kind. It is very unique in its name. I am placing my appearance, what you call appreciation on record, he said. So Telangana people is going to be benefited. This arbitration and mediation center benefits. But in the life of a doctor, in the life of a lawyer, it depends upon the hard working. Number 1, you must create the confidence in the client. Number 2, you must treat the client as your paying master. Number 4, you must intentionally strive to do justice for him. Number 4, you must always think, if I am placed in the same situation, what I will do. You should do that. Number 5, you must inculcate highly intellectuality in your mind. You must be in a position to understand the socio-economic conditions prevailing in the country and also litigant public who comes to you. Don't go only with money. Go with the justice, go with the service, go with the love. Then your organization will flourish. People require service with respect. People require service with a good motto. People require service in a justifiable manner, not in an arbitrary manner. So, Madam Anita Garu, you said, sir, how it is possible when your idea is appreciable, when you put into action, the action also will be appreciable. When the people started appreciating by taking services of your organization, the people itself will grow the organization, not you alone requires to grow it. That is the life of any organization or any person. So therefore, I am very glad to be here with you all today to address you on this aspect. And though we are in a tremendously bad condition, people of the world are coming afraid to come out because of the COVID 2019. But all of you are dare enough. Dare enough because the love and affection towards all of us. Brother Janardhan Reddy, many people, how many of you know our brother Janardhan Reddy as a commissioner of municipal corporation? When I told brother is coming, everybody is willing. The officer anywhere, maybe a district collector or RDO or MRO, should be in a position to see the rising of the hands when the officer is present in a particular meeting. But it's not the situation there. Therefore, this country requires like an officer, Brother Janardhan Reddy garu. Our Avalappa garu, when he came here, Brother Lakshman, Justice Lakshman garu saying, "Sir, I have much acquaintance with the doctor." So he's a known doctor, and day in, day out, his action is only service, service, service. Now you see his age, 85 years. But any meeting, he is also one of the Rotarian and Vice President of Elders Clubs of International Foundation, for which I am the honorary chairman. Because of him and Anita Rani garu, these three మాతృమూర్తులు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ మూలంగా ఇవాళ ఎల్డర్స్ క్లబ్స్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫౌండేషన్ 39 దేశాలలో 29 రాష్ట్రాలలో చాలా చాలా సేవలు చేస్తున్నది. దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ దట్. దానికి వారు అధ్యక్షులు. Every person on this dais are very eminent personalities, and every one of you, because of you are sitting that side, it doesn't mean that you are eminent. You are more eminent because you are giving the food to thousands of people. As an industrialist, as a cinema producers, or like Sportica, academicians, our Bhaskar is academician. He is an engineer, he has an engineering college. Thousands of people are studying in his institution. Sportica, he has got a son. His son's desire was, "Daddy, you may have so much of property, but I want a property of men who place in our place." He says, to satisfy his satisfaction, desire, he constructed a Sportica, a sports complex. I think Brother Satish may request our Dr. B. Janardhan Reddy garu to bless the place once coming there. So brother, the Telangana Arbitration and Mediation Center, it is a very good start. It is a start with eminent personalities. It is a start with devotional personalities. It is a start with hard-working personalities. It is a start with sincere personalities. It is a start with the persons who has the attitude of integrity and honesty. Coming to the brothers and sisters sitting the other side is concerned, all of them are highly praised persons in their own field. I wish you all the best. Utilize the services of this institution for you, and advise the others also whenever the difficulty comes. Money is not the criteria, but however, to seek the suggestion or anything, always the people, because the eminent persons are there on the rolls of their list. Eminent judges are there on their rolls. From Supreme Court, the High Court, the judges are there. Eminent academicians are there to suggest any aspect. Eminent psychologists are there on their roles, coming to the, as far as the legal litigation is concerned. So I wish Dr. Anita Rani garu and their organizers, particularly Sri Preeti, our beloved daughter. Now I have got 2 daughters or 3 daughters. One is Sri Preeti and my daughter is there. Our Jyoti is also our daughter. She also comes. Like that, there are several daughters to me. There are several sons, and my Prashant is there. So therefore, I feel always be with you all. I am so happy today. For my happiness, our Janardhan Reddy Garu is first responsible, because for the last 10 years, both of us are playing, except the period in which this COVID affected, we used to play together. Always you challenge the other side. Now our Prasad and our brothers are there, who are always like to play with us, and they are adopted me as ambassador of their Sportica, because of your happiness. I am here, brother. Our happiness should be the people's happiness, and the people's happiness must be our happiness. When we feel that we should be happy, we should also make others to feel happiness. So happiness is not individual. Happiness is a social. Happiness is a combined of persons. There must be happiness in the family, there must be happiness in the village, in the town. At the last, there must be happiness in the society. Happiness is the object of a human being, which can be achieved only with the cooperation and better understanding and resolving the problems by way of arbitration and mediation and conciliation. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.